Welcome back to our channel, Katie and Rodrigo, where we bring you along the way as we learn to sail and end up doing so in the crazy, scary, and dangerous North Sea. We learn a lot along the way and invite you to be a part of the process. Stick around and see the shenanigans this time. As you saw in the last episode, we waited in IJmuiden, the final part of the North Sea, to receive some packages necessary for safety. We braved a storm. We also learned what happens when the tide changes and your boat is not properly attached, even if you are a master with the lasso. We did some silly thrifting, and we also got a visit from this guy. Links in the description if you missed it. Today's the day we head out to the North Sea for the very first time from IJmuiden to Scheveningen, and this was supposed to be 8 hours. It didn't turn out that way though. Here it is before it gets real crazy. We start out the day with some strawberry pierogies with sour cream, and here's some footage as we left the port. Looks good, doesn't it? It really was. And then not so good. But in the beginning, it really was fun for like the first 20 minutes or so.
Oh, he's behind us now. Oh, they went away. And look who was just saying that the shitty ocean doesn't even have any dolphins. We saw dolphins. You didn't, but we did. I'm talking to the camera. They go so fast. Hey, Captain, how's it going? Don't even fake it. I don't want to puke again. What are we gonna do next time that we didn't do this time?
Take the pill 2 hours before.
What?
Take the pill 2 hours before.
So the sun finally decided to make an appearance, and we are enjoying that tremendously. It finally slowed down. It was really choppy and crazy and a lot of puking, and I took the medicine earlier because he had never gotten sick before. This is the first time he's gotten seasick, and it was real seasick. So he didn't take the pill. I took it you're supposed to take it 2 hours before. I took it maybe half an hour, 45 minutes before. And by the time it started to kick in, now I'm falling asleep, and he doesn't have anything else in his stomach to projectile. But it's chill now. So we left our spot at 6 this morning and got to the sea at 7. It is now 4 p.m. and we are very close to land and without a motor and trying to make it bit by bit to the marina where they have assistance. I feel
On the frame. No,
wrong way.
wrong way. Yeah, here. Feeling like shit.
I'm so hungry and sleepy. Yeah, I'm starving. The nausea medicine, it has a very, very drowsy effect. I am fighting sleep, and I got sunburn without very much sun. The current is not in our favor, and we're going slow. But the coast of Den Haag is pretty nice. Though I'd prefer to not be so close to it.
Arriving in Den Haag, engine died. Have a chaos here. Try to fix it. Impossible, nothing is working. We are on sails. Katie there. And trying to get into the port on sails. We will get this new radio to work and call the port and tell them that we are in troubles. 21. Harbor Master Schwenningen, Harbor Master Schwenningen, Harbor Master Schwenningen. This is the Waka over. Coming from the north, and we have no engine.
Understood. Are you near the buoy on your starboard side? Over.
Oh, half a mile.
Understood. You have to call the government for the dock and tow. Over.
Oh, we are arriving. We are arriving on the sails.
Understood. You're not allowed to enter the port with sail. You have to go in port with a motor eventually. Over.
So, okay. So, what you recommended?
You can contact the jachthaven on the channel 22 and ask them for assistance. Over.
Okay, overcut. Pasó lo tan vaticinado, bro. Por suerte calmó el mar ahora y estamos más o menos bien. Pero sí, mirá. El puerto allá, La Haya. Ya es la segunda vez que vamos para atrás. Hicimos para atrás, para adelante, tratando de arreglar el motor, imposible. Estamos sin motor. Llamamos al puerto. Nos dijo que llamáramos al canal de la marina ahí. La marina nos vienen a buscar en un dingue a la entrada, pero no salen al mar, así que tenemos que llegar hasta la entrada a vela.
So we had to tack again to get away from the coast and try to enter in between here with the sails up because we don't have another option right now. But the wind is constantly changing. And this is Adventures of Sailing.
Thank you, guys.
Hi.
How are you? How are you, man?
And with the trash still atrás.
Ah, okay, speak. Okay. Daar wil je naar voren? Ja, dat is mooi dit. Voor lijkt het eigenlijk heel belangrijk. Ja, eigenlijk liever dat jij gewoon aan boord komt op de voorlijn. Ja, die namelijk hebben dan goed dat... You want me to do something? Just tell me. It's okay. Okay? Deze boot. 3, 39. Was deze wel. Ja. What's the white light means? If you will enter during night, you can. If the lights are above each other, then you know you are straight in front of the entrance, the highest light. So if it and then it will line up with the lower light. And then you know it's a straight line into the harbor. Okay. And then you have the swell lights. Yeah, well it's you make an angle and then. But here you can come even on low waters. Yeah. Okay. You see the green lights? Yeah. They're okay. They're now the highest light is right of the lower light. Yeah. If I will go to the left, I will see it in a line. Yeah. You will see they will align.
So these two gentlemen came to rescue us, our knights in shining life jacket vests. They attached our boat to their dinghy and towed us into Schwenningen Marina. And earlier, we called Manu to say, "Help, we don't have a motor, what do we do?" And he told us to call the port and tell them that we're coming in on sails. And what's funny is that later he mentioned to me, you stayed very calm. It's kind of surprising to be out there for your first time at sea with a broken motor and you were completely calm on the phone. And that's one of the things we really like about sailing, because you have real problems and real stressors, not just your imagination that comes to mess with you. So here's to seeing what you're made of, because the sea is constantly giving you the opportunity. Bye, Fabian. Thank you. As you saw in the beginning, the route we meant to take, here's what actually happened.
Wow, it's been a very tough day. Kate is sleeping there. It's been 2 hours or something. I went to take a shower and had to chat with the guy who rescued us, Fabian. He's a genius, great guy. Scampi after the storm.
Keep a lookout for the next episode, because we get stuck in Den Haag while we try to figure out what the heck happened to our motor and what we can do about it. So we take the chance to go swimming, and look at this guy. I had never even seen a jellyfish before, and this little one was swimming in the marina water and came straight up to the GoPro to say, "Yo, what's good?" And it's magnificent, because this is actually inside the marina since we're at sea. There's tides and there's water movement, so it stays pretty clean. I can't even imagine going into the water in a marina that is inland through a canal, because the water there can get pretty freaky. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos with everyone you know who may or may not be interested in sailing, travel, the Netherlands, and quirky adventures. If you really dig it, check the description if our experience in the current sea has inspired you to show love in the form of currency. We've got PayPal, Wise, and Patreon, and if there's some other platform you'd like to use, send us a message on Instagram and we will happily coordinate with you. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. This is a story that's, to us, we think, pretty interesting, and any like and support, and just watching, honestly, it means a lot because we put a lot of time and effort in these videos. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.